Hi, I'm LaToya, and adding people to a space is great because you can instant message and share files with all of your collaborators. There are two ways you can add people to a space, and I'm going to show you how. If you have an existing space created and you would like to add another collaborator, click on the three buttons in the top right corner and select People. Search for your collaborator that you'd like to add to this space and click Add. That collaborator is now in the space and can see all messages and files that have been previously shared. The second way you can add a collaborator to a space is when you create a new one. This gives you a clean slate for all team communications.